Excel COUPDAYS function. This function returns the number of days in the coupon period that contains the settlement date. It tells you the total length of the current coupon period. The syntax is COUPDAYS with parameters settlement, maturity, frequency, and an optional basis. Dates should be entered using the date function for best results. There are 4 arguments: settlement, the settlement date of the security; maturity, the maturity date; frequency, the number of coupon payments per year, which can be 1 for annual, 2 for semi-annual, or 4 for quarterly; and basis, an optional day count basis type from 0 to 4. Here's an example. We have a security with a settlement date of January 25, 2011, maturing on November 15, 2011. The coupon frequency is semi-annual, and we use an actual over actual day count basis. The COUPDAYS function returns 181. This means the coupon period containing the settlement date is 181 days long when using the actual over actual basis. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when settlement or maturity is not a valid date. A num error occurs when frequency is not 1, 2, or 4, the basis is out of range, or the settlement date is on or after maturity. Key points to remember. COUPDAYS is useful for calculating accrued interest. Combine it with COUPDAYBs to find what fraction of the coupon period has elapsed. With basis 0, the US 30 over 360, semi-annual always returns 180. Basis 1, actual, will vary. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.